Brute force protection in WP Ghost is a powerful feature that blocks access to your site when there are repeated failed login attempts. You can use it to protect paths like login, registration, lost password, and even forms, including comments and contact forms. Once brute force protection is activated, you have several additional options to customize your protection. You can enable or disable protections for specific forms: lost password form protection, section comment form protection. There's also a powerful feature that instantly blocks any attempt to log in with a non-existent username, preventing future attempts from that device. Next, you can choose one of 3 CAPTCHA options to add an extra layer of security: Math Recaptcha, Google Recaptcha version 2, Google Recaptcha version 3. With Google Recaptcha version 3, the CAPTCHA loads silently on the right side of the page, validating the form without interrupting the user experience. You can set the number of failed attempts allowed before blocking the source temporarily. You can also choose how long the ban will last and customize the message shown to blocked users. By default, WP Ghost blocks a user after 5 failed attempts within 1 hour, ensuring a balance between security and usability. Finally, WP Ghost makes it easy to protect forms beyond the default WordPress options. You can apply brute force protection to Elementor login forms or any other custom form using the shortcode provided by WP Ghost. And that's it. Brute force protection in WP Ghost helps secure your site by preventing unauthorized login attempts and keeping your forms safe.